singacabangi ngendlela yobuntu, kodwa masiza kuye fanele sicabange ngendlela yobuNkulunkulu, the supernatural way of thinking. He is the God who is able to do exceedingly abundantly and above. uNkulunkulu bazalwane ukwazi ukwenza izinto ezingaphezulu kwalezi siyicabangayo. uNkulunkulu othi umusa kuye uthi uzofuna indlu, athi no, I am here to give you a property, I am here to give you a land. Mawufika kuye uthi uzocela ipromotion, athi no, I am here to create business for you, I am here to give you a company. Mawufika kuye uthi uNkulunkulu susa lezi zikweleti kimi, athi uNkulunkulu no, I'm not here to remove debt, but I am here to satisfy your bank balance. Mawuza kuye uthi hayi uNkulunkulu ngifuna nje ukuba rich, athi no, I don't want to give you just riches, but I want you to give you blessings so that you will be a blessing to others. uNkulunkulu njalo bafethu efanele masiza kuye sicabange ngendlela ehlukile, masiza kuye simbone uNkulunkulu okwazi